sine squared of 22.5. All of this 5.5 is about using formulas. So if we look at our chart here, we kind of have to look for one that has either the sine squared or has that structure of our problem. Okay, so there's a couple of things that you can do. Is remember 5.5 kind of puts all the double angle formulas, sum to product, product to sum, and it does also the half angle formulas. You also have these right here, the sine squared ones. So if we look at this right here, there's a couple of things that we can do on our problem. We could just isolate the sine squared, for example, and use this formula over here. Sine squared is equal to 1/2, 1 minus cosine of 2 theta. Or we keep looking for through our formulas here. We can also use this one right here, the one that says cosine of 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared of theta. Notice how it's the same thing as almost if you solve for cosine of 2 theta, you'll end up with the same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one right here, the one that says cosine of 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. And the only thing that you have to recognize here is this one right here is your theta. So I'm going to call this theta. And according to my formulas, or in this case just the formula, we know that cosine of 2 theta is equal to that, 1 minus 2 sine squared of theta. And so I'm going to replace all of this with is equivalent to cosine of 2 theta, but theta is just simply 22.5. So what's 2 times 22.5? So it's like I'm asking you, what is cosine of 45 degrees? And we've done this problem before. If we're doing this without a calculator, we're going to go ahead and do a quick sketch of 45-degree angle. So starting from the positive x-axis, this is 45 degrees. Create my right triangle. Labels for 45, 45, 90, right triangle is 1 or R1, 1 and the square root of 2. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So what is my answer here? 1 over square root of 2. And of course, if we wanted to simplify, just multiply by the square root of 2 over the square root of 2. And we're left with the square root of 2 over 2. So just be careful. The main thing is understanding which formula to use. And in some cases, they may not tell you specifically, use this formula, use that formula. You might have to just kind of look for one that, works best for you.